We're just looking at some old equipment, old farming equipment. An old 1948 Farmall. At a place today called the Taranaki Pioneer Village. It's in a small town called Stratford, Taranaki, North Island, New Zealand. We've got so much equipment here, and some of this equipment is back in the days of the farm horse, the draft horse, and then early days of tractors, of course, as well. (1949) Alice Chalmers. Sorry for the view, I can't get past the Y netting. Not sure what that old one in the corner is. That looks very old. Someone may be able to comment on what that is. That is old. Yes. Then this one in the middle. I don't know what that one is either. But I do remember the old David Brown. Okay. And a Fordson Major as well, way over the back. Fordson Major. Okay, that's all we have on the tractors. But the Fordson Major, that's an old one, that's for sure. Way in the back there. I'm not sure what this one here is. It's been adapted for a, looks like it's got a blade attachment to it. But hard to see there. It's got a blade down on that one, on this one here. So yeah, just a small selection. It's a small museum. And a very beautiful day today. Thank you for watching. Catch you shortly.